So here's Carmel app, car, taxi, and Limo. 35 years experience in one app. Download the new Carmel app now and get immediate $36 car cash and earn Carmel points of airline miles for every ride you take. Rides and car cash and points and perks. Oh my, with more features than any other transportation app in the world, we can burn gifts. So yeah, this is, like alternative for Uber, Lyft, Carb, like some other apps. Like sometimes, that might be that this app has like a cheaper option. So I don't know. I prefer to use Uber, to be honest. But it's a nice app in US to know also about. Also, if you're using some kind of aggregators, if you want to find the cheapest price, sometimes it can be the only option. And then yeah, here you can earn Carmel points, book now, book for later, perks, and then airlines. You can also then just go and create your account like this. So then, all right, so let's just continue as a guest. And then you can see and then drop address. For example, just to give you an idea. And then you have like pickup date and time, today 5:12 a.m. And then that's just how it works. So for me, it's a bit more weirder than Uber, but then also you have like a reward program here. Sometimes maybe that can be the only option. You can use your referral code here as well. So yep, something like that.